Everyone forgive me in the last interruption because my nephew is a little bit rambunctious, but I do forgive me on the last interruption. So I want to continue where we left off. My full apologies to anyone who was watching this video. It's hard to dealing with a person with special needs, but we are doing our very best. So hope you understand the situation. I do apologize. All right, so there being that may, we have 7.400 divided by 1.185. Which number that is close to or equal to those two numbers? $40, right? Let's try 40. Let's do this on the side. And I'm not going to use the decimals. I'm going to show you why in a minute. Multiply. So we know that 185 times 40, and it's going to be a lot easier. So this will be 185 times 0. It's going to be 0 no matter what. And then we're going to do the second part. What's 5 times 4? 20. Very good. Carry the 2. What's 8 times 4? 32. Add 2 more is 34. 1 times 4 is 4. Add 3 more is 7. Does it match with this? Yes. So this is going to be our answer. Don't forget the 0. And this is evens out. Let's check in the calculator, okay? Let's check in the calculator. Does it match? Yes. So that's a match. So that's our final answer. 40. All right. So when you determine which goes inside the box, which one goes outside the box, the left side goes inside and the right number goes outside. And you determine which number, make sure it's even. The decimals are even. And when you divide or multiply, I use scratch work for this problem. For this one, to make sure everything's even. So that's how we do the quotient. Always be careful when you do the determining what number and so forth. Always pick a number that is close to or equal to that number to make sure that everything is on the right path and on point actually. And then make sure you double check your work to see if you got it correctly. And in this case, it is correct. But any questions are number 18. All right, folks, there we have it. We're finished with adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing decimals. And other than that, that wasn't too bad, right? The most problems that most people will have is subtracting, which I do wholeheartedly understand why. It's the borrowing part that gets people a little bit concerned, but it could be possible. And always double check with your answer to make sure everything's correct if your borrowing is correct. So, and in the multiplication, make sure how many spaces to move the decimal point. And the quotient, which one goes inside the box, which one goes outside the box, and so forth. But if you have any questions, please contact me on Canvas or on Google Classroom. I don't mind answering those questions because I will do my very best to answer them the best way I can. Until then, everyone, you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you soon, everyone. Have a good one, everyone. All right. Bye-bye.